Hello everyone. Today we are going to make lantern. For that we need A4 size color papers 3. You can take same color or different color also. Fevicol, scissors, scale, pencil and any object to make round. First take one A4 size paper. On that we are going to draw 8 circles. So for that, if your paper is thick one, you can draw one circle on it like this. How many you can draw? But my paper is little bit thin, so I am folding this in a half. One more time in a half like this. And how much circle you can adjust in that much big object you have to take, and then we will make circle on it like this. 1 and 2, because third we can't adjust on it. 1 2. So from one paper we have to cut these circles. So from one paper 8 circles we will make. From second paper again 8 plus 8 16. We need total 20 circles. So third paper you have to take only half, means only half paper you take, draw 2 circles on it and cut it. So total 20 circles we need. So we will cut this now. After cutting the circles, take one circle first and take scale. Here we are going to make triangle out of it. So what we will do, approximately paper we will, like this, equal paper, little bit we will fold like this. Then second one from here, you have to match the lines like this. And now we will fold it. All 3 sides should be equal. Here we want point. So which side is less, we will push it inside. So automatically we will get it. This and this one here. Inside this part should not overlap till the line. So what we will do, we will keep scale like this and we will fold the paper. So automatically we got the triangle. One is okay. Then how much paper you can fold it together? Now here I can fold 8 papers together. So I am also keeping this triangle on it. Scale I am keeping on it. So all papers you have to keep it properly, 1 upon 1 like this. Scale I am keeping, holding on it. See the edge properly of first triangle and then fold it. 1. See, it is like this. Second side. If we will do it like this way, we will save our time. Two. Now here already 2 lines we got. That line we will match, and third one. See, now each paper I will take now, and you have to see that carefully it is perfect or not. See, like this we will fold it all papers. Now all 20 are ready. From that we will take out 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Remaining 10 we will use afterward. Now what we will do, here we will arrange. See, one is like this, the one should be like this. So here this step is important. We have to pick it up. Now here this part is there, we will put glue, and second one we will stick it on it. Now here third one, we are not going to stick it like this. Okay, 1 minute. See, 3 we will stick it, the fourth one I will show. Okay, whenever 3 you will stick, half circle or semicircle like this you will get. If we will stick it here like this, you will get, but we are going to make straight line first. So third one you have to check it, we will stick it here only, fourth one. See here, 4, 5, 6, 6. The line, we are getting line here. 7, full you have to stick it. Eight, 9, and the last one 10. We are going to stick 10 only. You can see the line, this is important, line we need. Let it dry this. Now here 3 we will take first, this one let it dry, and 3 we will stick it together, only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 separate one, again 3. See, 3, 3. And here we are having 4 extra. Here 2, 2 we will stick. Here 2. 1, 2. So you can see here we are having 10 straight line, 3, 3, 2, 2. Now here to the 3, this 2 we will stick. This one first, and this and this. So here first one and fifth one we will match it. Let it dry, and now pick it up, and this we will match. So like this you will get. Now our this 10 triangle strip is done. Here 5, 1, here 3 and 2. This one also we are going to stick it, but afterward, because here we will see how to put bulb, so that one we will do afterward. Now this 10 strip we are having, that this first one and last one we will stick. So here we will put glue, and this will be outside, this part will be outside. So like this, make a round, and 1 upon 1 we will stick. So we will get like this. See, now here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 are there. Here one, we will put glue. Now this 5 1 we are having here also, already 5 are there, so we will stick 1 upon 1. See, like this. Now one side is there. Here also we are going to stick like same, but first one only we will stick. And for lantern we will put bulb here, wire and bulb inside first, and then we will stick the last one. After putting the bulb and wire, we will stick this last one. And how much big lantern you want, that much big circle you have to take. So that much big lantern you can make. Now here same way. We will stick. Like this, and already bulb wire is inside like this. So whatever decoration you want to make it on it, you can make it here like this. Anything circle or something you can stick it, and your lantern is ready. Thank you.